my channel. So today we are going to do a soft beat, a very soft beat. So let's get into it. Okay, so starting off, I'm going in with my Glam Reflection palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to go in with this brown shade right here at the top. So that's going to be my transition shade, so I'm just going to use that to go in with my transition. I also went in with this brown shade right under the first shade to kind of darken it up a little bit. Now that I have finished with that, I'm going back in with the same palette, and I'm going to go in with this copper color right here at the bottom, and I'm just going to apply that to my eyelids. Now for liner, I'm going in with my Kat Von D tattoo liner. That it's a sample liner I received from Sephora, so I'm just gonna use that to do my liner today. Since it's a soft beat, it's not really much that we're doing to our face because we're not doing a full beat or a full on makeup, so everything is just pretty simple, a little amount, you know, so to give you like a soft natural glam. That we have applied a little liner, I'm gonna take my Kypress to kind of just moisturize my skin, prep it. It's kind of like I use it as a primer. So I'm going to apply that to my face, and then I'm going to go in with my NARS foundation. the color is kind of like an orangey, soft orange type color. And then after I apply that, I apply a little gloss, and then I took my organic setting spray, I sprayed my face, I set it, and then I fan it, and then that was pretty much it. So that's it. That's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this soft glam, and see you guys in my next video.